Hey guys, we were out here looking at this place today in Cumming, Dawsonville, Georgia area, and you can tell it's a little bit worn. This house was a little different because it's a lot of acreages, a lot of acres, excuse me. So they were having trouble finding a cash buyer for it. The house needs a lot of work, and you know these things with all this land are very hard to comp out. The prices are going to be really difficult to find someone to get. So again, you know, this doesn't scare us. We're going to come out, we're going to make them an offer. We're going to be able to close in 2 weeks. You can tell it's a little bit of a strange looking property. But again, none of these things scare us. You know, it needs a lot of plumbing work. It has some cast iron plumbing, some polybutyrene mixed in there. Nothing like that scares us. A little bit of foundation work. None of that. We're still going to be able to buy the house from you, close in 2 weeks for cash. We take it as is. Any kind of problems like that, nothing matters to us. If we can make it work, we will make it work, even with all this coronavirus nonsense going on. You know, at this point, you know, we are going to have to offer them a little bit less because we expect real estate to have a pretty big hit pretty soon, but they're still going to do well. We've reached an arrangement. You know, and again, we're going to do everything we can to help. We're going to help move their items out of the house, just do whatever we can.